Are you tired of struggling to transport your delicious desserts without ruining their presentation or freshness? Introducing the 3-in-1 plastic cake holder from Southern Homewares. This versatile container set is specially designed to make carrying and storing desserts a breeze. With 3 different containers included in the set, you can carry desserts of any size with ease. Whether you have a cake, pie, cobbler, cupcakes, or muffins, this holder set has got you covered. The containers are perfectly crafted to keep your desserts fresh, even during storage. Made of sturdy plastic, these carriers are built to last through years of use. You won't have to worry about them breaking or losing their shape. The 3-in-1 cake holder is the perfect addition to any kitchen and makes an excellent gift for any foodie or baker in your life. Surprise them on their birthday or during the holidays. The container comes with 2 different trays. One tray is designed for cupcakes or muffins, while the other is perfect for holding hard-boiled or deviled eggs. You'll have everything you need to transport your desserts without any hassle. The dimensions of the container measure 12.50 inches by 12.50 inches by 4.00, while the trays are 11.00 in diameter. This ensures that you have plenty of space to store your desserts without worrying about them getting squished or damaged. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international customers may require an adapter or converter for their outlets and voltage compatibility. To avoid any inconvenience, please check compatibility before making a purchase. Don't let your desserts suffer during transportation. Order your 3-in-1 plastic cake holder from Southern Homewares today and enjoy the convenience and durability it offers. Say goodbye to stale or ruined desserts and hello to perfectly transportable treats.